a pan turbo. You get this man here, Justus. You know what? He's gonna show you some action with this pan. This pan gonna be going places where you never been before. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what I mean. What you gonna make?
I'm gonna make Hawaiian chop steak stir fry.
Okay, awesome. Here's some beautiful steak here, frying up. He made some oil and he seasoned it with garlic and ginger. He removed it and now he's frying this beautiful steak. So, how's your instructors here?
They're good. They help you out where you need help. One-to-one learning. They're always here for your students.
So from what age did you learn how to cook? You enjoy cooking?
I actually started off after I graduated high school in 2015.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You see, showmanship is really part of everything too, right? Huh?
Now we're gonna add our vegetables, onions,
Okay.
some carrots,
Carrots, okay.
celery.
And celery.
And make sure you break up all your onion pieces.
Hey Justin, you married?
No,
Oh man, I thought you live on good husband.
I have a girlfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you see, Justin's girlfriend. Among us our keeper. You lucky.
I'm the cook at home.
You see? You see? Yeah? You know, it's funny because I'm the cook at home too.
We're
And
gonna put some shoyu,
show you. Yeah.
sugar,
Sugar.
and a little bit of oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. You see, one of the things about you guys try to catch all the different flavors, right? You guys learned that in school, huh? Wow. So you
Baby carrots we got from egg.
the Culinary, they work very close with the egg class here in UH, and it's gotta go together, right? Awesome. Again, look at the pan. He's making some action with the pan. Hey, this pan is like, he's going crazy because it's the first time getting so much action with him. I tell you.
Pork
Yeah?